Click on the link below to see price. Montek 1000W Solar Generator. This compact solar generator offers several different power options, including a 210W AC charger. It is a good option for those who aren't in a position to purchase a larger solar panel. The Montek 1000W has an extra storage space for photovoltaic panels and charging wires. Its carrying case can also be used to store an 80-watt solar charger. Other features include a TFT display for real-time monitoring, a built-in LED light with SOS, and the ability to charge multiple devices. The Montek 1000W is lightweight and compact, weighing just 28 pounds. Its case is made of durable and waterproof materials to prevent moisture from getting into the unit's internal parts. It is a great portable power source that can be used anywhere. The Montek 1000W is also equipped with a 3W LED light. This is useful for lighting up camping tents and outdoor events. It also has an SOS function that alerts emergency services. Despite its price, this model is proving to be a great buy. The portable power station with the 1000W wattage and 1010WH capacity, cycle life 2000 cycles at 1C to 80% of the initial capacity. This solar generator will power your full-size refrigerator, rice cookers, ovens, TVs, etc. and fit for home outdoor camping, car power emergency, hunting, travel, etc. The solar generator 1000W is not only water resistant but also shock resistant. When solar charging outdoors with all case openings closed, you need not worry if it rains on the unit. This portable power station is like a suitcase, easy to carry. The structure of the case is also incredibly strong. We drove a car over one in our testing. It's perfect. The solar generator has 10 output ports, features 2 pure sine wave AC outlets, 1 USB-C, 2 Quick Charge 3. 0 port, 1 car power output, 2 DC 5521 output, and 2 DC 5525 output. The solar generator can be recharged from your car, AC outlets, or with sun power solar panels. If you use Montek 80W portable solar panel, it can improve the solar charging efficiency by 30% compared to another solar panel. Under great conditions, the solar panel output could be up to 80 W. The solar charging input is MPPT 12-70V 12 to 360 W max. The AC charging adapter is built into the solar generator for your convenience. No need to carry a separate adapter with you. An AC charging input, 210W, 100-240V 50 Hz per 60 Hz faster charge. Click on the link below to see price.